What's up guys, welcome back. So for today's video, this is the hair that I'm going to be using, and it is by Janet Collection. I will have it linked down below, but it's just this super natural looking texture. And yes, I got these nets for ponytails off like eBay or Amazon or something, and then it comes with these little combs that you can sew into place. And so that's what I'm doing here, just taking a regular needle and thread and going in through the front, pulling it through, and then coming back in through the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I think I went across and then back. So it's basically like 2 stitches on each comb. And as far as the hair goes, I used 1 pack of hair that I cut in half, and it already pretty much comes pre-sectioned. So for each little crochet that you're gonna see me doing in a minute here, I just used 1 piece of the hair. So once you're done sewing, you can just go ahead and tie a knot to hold it in place, and then it'll look something like this. So as far as holding this net down, I have T-pins, but they're like in a box somewhere, so I just used these paper clips, and I think I used about 4 paper clips to hold it in place. So just stick it through the net and into your foam head. So now here is 1 piece of hair that I'm going to start with, and it's just basic crochet, the same you would do on your head. I'm just sticking my crochet hook through about like 3 to 5 holes, I would assume, and then just crocheting like normal. Now at first I looped the hair through like 2 or 3 times, but as I went on, I'm like, this hair texture is really kinky, and these knots, or not the knots, but the holes on the mesh net ponytail thing, they're pretty small, so it can hold it in place by just doing 1 loop. Like, you don't even have to loop it 2 or 3 times. 1 will be just enough. So this is what it's looking like so far, and as I go on, I'm just going to try my best to use the brick layering technique. So basically just putting 1 piece in between the 2 pieces from below, so that it doesn't fall right on top of the piece, but it falls in between 2 of the others from the row below it. And just make sure you space it out, otherwise you'll have like way too much hair. But yeah, I just used 1 complete pack for this, and I think it's like the perfect density. So this is what it looks like, and I like the way it looks, but I don't like those straight ends, so that's why I decided to comb it out. I guess I could have just cut those ends off, but I combed it out instead. So this is what it looks like once it is all combed out, and you could most definitely keep it like that, but I decided to go ahead and braid it, and then I put these 2 little bantu knots on the end, and then of course I had to dip it in hot water first, and now I'm just unraveling the braid and the little bantu knot. And once you're done unbraiding it, you can just kind of separate and fluff to your liking, and that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think I might try and do this again and just leave it with the natural texture, but I still like the way it came out this way too, and I will definitely be trying it on in a video coming soon. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already.